Colors name: blue color, red color, orange color, pink color, green color, black color. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for house, I for ink, J for jeep, K for kite, L for line, M for mouse, N for needle, O for octopus, P for pigeon, Q for quail, R for rainbow, S for sheep, T for tree, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for x-ray, Y for yak, Z for zebra.